Wales doesn't shout or scream. It sings. A melodic cadence, peaking and dipping. Cruising or lung-busting. This is the land that scapes your ride. A landscape shaped for two wheels. Rolling hills, fortified backdrops. Ever watching, always guarding. And green. Green, green as far as the eye can see. Fresh, crisp, mouth-watering, kissing crystal clear blue. Five climbs before lunch, no sweat. A coffee stop with mates. An ever-changing roadside, an epic day in the saddle. Plan it, chase it, reach it. Here's the thing. You'll never cross that finish line. There's always another stage, another challenge. This is Wales by bike. It always stays with you.